In today's video, I will show you guys how to fix cannot expand the folder error in Outlook. Method 1. Disable cached exchange mode. Open Outlook and go to File. Select Account Settings. Choose the affected account and click Change. Uncheck Use Cached Exchange Mode. Close and restart Outlook. Method 2. Delete unwanted emails and folders. Delete any unnecessary emails or folders that are taking up a lot of space. Method 3. Disable add-ins and go to File. Select Options, then Add-ins. Click Manage COM, Add-ins, then Go. Uncheck the add-ins you want to disable, then click OK. Restart Outlook. Method 4. Repair Outlook application. Open the control panel and go to Programs. Right-click on Microsoft Office and select Change. Select Quick Repair and click Repair. Method 5. Create a new Outlook profile. Select Account Settings, then Manage Profiles. Click Show Profiles, then Add. Enter a profile name and your email account details, then click Next. Restart Outlook. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cannot expand the folder error in Outlook. To know more on how to fix cannot expand the folder error, click on the link in description.